How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. How is your preparation?
Yes, sir. Preparation is going on and the nervousness is there.
Okay.
Actually, today I attended Accenture interview, sir,
Okay.
where fully I was scared because this is very new topic, na. They
Mhm.
asked me about FISD integration.
Okay.
I told the integration,
Okay.
but I forgot about the controlling keys like
Okay.
KOFI and KOFK.
Mhm.
So I
That is
stuck
right. That is
there.
very important conditions that we need to know.
Conditions,
Reference is
yeah.
very important. That I also think that things also explained in the sessions.
Yeah,
Uh,
it has been explained, but suddenly I forgot that, like I was panic.
mhm.
Then they twisted and asked the journal entries in FIMM and like FIMM and FISD integration, sir. They
Okay.
gave a
So finally, what
scenario.
is the output?
Sorry, sir.
Finally, what is the output? Output.
Output, like I gave all the this one, but he was not satisfied.
Mhm. Okay.
Uh, I told that's
Okay,
okay,
no
fine.
problem. I think this is the first interview attended, right?
Yeah,
So
very first
things
interview, sir.
will happen in the normal case. So
Mhm.
anyhow, we need a better preparation,
Yeah.
right? So today I'm taking mock interview,
Okay.
okay, for your practice.
Mhm.
Okay, let's begin with self-introduction. Okay, let me know about yourself first, and then I will move to some of the questions which you know.
Okay, sir. Hi, sir.
Okay,
This is
Soumya,
yes, sir.
actually I come across your profile in LinkedIn.
Mhm.
So, so we have two vacancies, one vacancy in Hyderabad and second one is Bangalore. So which one you prefer to?
I prefer both the places, sir.
Okay,
There is
so
no restriction in the location.
once you select, then you will relocate to Bangalore and Hyderabad. There is no problem at all, right?
No problem with that relocation, sir.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, first of all, I would like to know yourself. Just give me the small introduction.
Hi, sir. This is Soumya, basically from Bangalore. Uh, I have overall 9 years of experience as an end user and FICO consultant.
Mhm.
Started my career as an accountant in 2012 in Newtech Fasteners. It's a manufacturing company.
Okay,
And from 2013 joined Deutsche Bank as an end user and moved internally as a SAP FICO consultant and was working for the support project.
okay. So actually, I
Then
didn't receive your resume. So can you put for your resume in the chart?
uh, yes, sir.
Or else you can send me separately because in the chart that means it's an interaction group. Almost 99 people will review a document. So it is better to ping me in
Sir, I have
separate chart.
already sent you in the personal chat.
Okay, let me check it out first.
Okay.
Okay, where did you send?
Today by 2043.
Mhm. Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, wait a bit. Okay. Basically, you are from Bangalore, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, you can continue your self-introduction.
Okay. So in 2013, joined Deutsche Bank and worked in Deutsche Bank for 6 years as an end user and
Mhm.
moved internally as a SAP FICO consultant and
Okay,
worked there with for the support project.
okay,
And now presently working for Capella Systems Private Limited from 2019 till date.
Mhm.
Here worked for implementation project for 18 months and moved to support project.
Okay. So when is your last date for the previous company?
Deutsche Bank, it is November 2019.
November 2019. So you are not working from 2019 to 2022, right?
No, I'm working for Capella Systems from 2019 till date.
Okay, which one is your previous company?
Capilla Systems, sir.
Capital is okay.
Capilla System
What is the
Private
turnover of
Limited.
that company?
Uh,
Is any branches located outside? How many company codes?
we have many company codes where we work for different clients.
Mm-hmm.
We have many clients in Capilla Systems. I work for the home. I work for Ruchi product.
Okay, it's a product-based company, right?
Yeah, I work for the Ruchi product. It's a base of manufacturing of home oil and flour mills.
Okay, so basically you worked on FI or CO, which one?
FI, sir.
In which area you are strong?
GL, APAR.
Tell me one area that you are completely strong and you can answer any kind of question from that area.
Okay, I'll take AP accounts payable. In accounts payable, we have P2P process. P2P is the process of obtaining and managing the raw material needed for manufacturing product and providing services. We have
Okay.
9 steps in P2P cycle: material requirement planning, purchase requisition, request for quotation, vendor selection, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice receipt, payment to vendors, and reconciliation. From material requirement planning till purchase order, there is no accounting entry. Purchase order T code is ME21N. From goods receipt to reconciliation, we have an accounting entries. So for example, for goods receipt accounting entries, T code is MIGO, inventory account data to GRIR clearing account. Invoice receipt T code is MIRO, GRIR clearing account data to vendor account. Payment to vendor, it's manual payment is F-53 or auto payment is F110 T code. Vendor account data to clearing bank account. Reconciliation, journal entries, clearing bank account data to main bank account.
Okay,
This is
fine.
P2P process in AP.
Okay, fine. You told me that some of the product, you told me that your company is product based, right? So what are the products that your client procure from the vendors?
It's a spices, pastas, noodles, ready to eat food products.
Okay, so your company will procure the products raw material. It is just like a product. It will purchase the products from the vendors. After that, your company will sell that product. What exactly the business process? I didn't get that.
Uh, yeah, we do the purchase and manufacturing the product, and we do sell the products.
Okay. What kind of products that your client manufacturing?
That's what pastas, noodles, ready to eat, and other food products. They will manufacture it and they will sell the products. For
Okay.
manufacturing, they will get the purchase the raw materials. For
Okay.
manufacturing all these items, they'll purchase the raw materials.
Okay. So what about your team size? So how many end users are there?
Uh, Team size is around 20 to 25 people.
Mhm.
And in FI, we have 4 to 5 people in FI.
Okay. So where it is located, your client location?
Client is located in Bangalore.
Bangalore. In which area?
Mahalakshmi Layout.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So do you have knowledge on S4HANA?
So, not much knowledge about S4 HANA. There are few changes, few general ledger changes in S4 HANA that
Mhm.
I am aware. Like we, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know anything about changes in asset accounting in S4HANA Finance? What are the changes in S4HANA asset accounting?
No idea, sir. I'm not getting.
Okay. Okay, what is the difference between the group chart of account and the country specific?
Group chart of account and country specific. Country specific is particularly for the country based. If company code is located like companies located in US, it is only based on the country wise. Group is overall, whether the company is located India or US, it's overall.
For the consolidation perspective, right?
Yeah,
So country
consolidation
specific is
perspective.
just like you will have to capture the reports of the existing company code which is located in India, and mainly the focus is targeting the reports, and that GLs, country specific GLs, should be assigned in the GL master. In the alternative account, GL is there, right? In the control tab,
Yes.
GL master, where we need to
Yes.
assign the country specific GLs. Okay, once we activate the group chart of accounts, so in the GL master, what is the impact? So group account number will be activated, right?
Yes.
That you not explained. Okay, no problem. Okay, so you told me that you have participated in the implementation project, right? So tell me
Yes.
the phases in the SAP methodology.
ASAP methodology is a aggregated SAP. We have
Okay.
5 phases in ASAP methodology:
Mhm.
project preparation, business blueprint, mm, project preparation, business blueprint. Uh, 1 minute, sir. Realization, final preparation, and go live and support. We have
Okay.
5 phases. Project
Mhm.
preparation is nothing but identifying clear project objectives and goals, understanding the business process, building a qualified and capable project team, and a kickoff meeting, identifying the business process, SLA agreement between client and consultant and company. And coming to business blueprint, this is a common
Have you
understanding and
prepared the
how.
business blueprint? So what are the documents that you prepared?
No, sir, I have not involved in the business blueprint. I
Where
have
you have involved in the SAP methodology, in which phases?
realization. From realization, I have involved in
What are
as
the
a method.
configurations that you performed in the FI implementation? So have you done the asset configuration?
I have done the GL configuration, asset accounting configuration, sorry, accounts payable, accounts receivables configuration, and asset accounting.
You are also part of doing the account asset configuration, right? So
Yes,
tell me what are the configurations you have performed in the depreciation related configurations?
depreciation related configuration. Just a minute, sir. Mm, depreciation is depreciation account assignment in SPRO. Uh, define base methods, define multiple level methods. I'm trying
Have you
to
done the
recall,
configuration of
sir. 1 minute.
depreciation
I'm trying to recall.
key? Okay, have you done the configuration of depreciation key?
Sir, I didn't get you, sir.
So have you performed the depreciation key configuration?
Uh, yes, sir. But I was taken a help with colleague with my team leader and have performed the asset accounting.
Okay. Okay, what is the difference between depreciation key and depreciation areas?
So not much involved in asset accounting, sir.
Okay. So tell me the configurations of automatic payment program.
APP. APP configuration, we do the configuration in FBZP. All company codes, paying methods in country, payment method in company code, bank determination, house banks. These are the configuration steps we perform in
Where
APP.
we need to assign the payment advisory form, in which configuration?
Payment advisory form in paying company code.
Okay, so who will create the payment advisory form? So is it a standard form or which one your client is using right now?
Standard form.
Standard form nobody will use, right? So customized only. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, no problem. So you make many mistakes, madam. Need to practice well.
Okay, sir.
And okay, fine. So have you involved in the doing configuration of ER?
Accounts receivables.
Yes.
Configuration. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the configurations of Dunning.
Uh, Dunning configuration. 1 minute, sir. I'm recalling. No, so I'm not getting Dunning configuration.
Okay, what is the difference between Dunning key and Dunning area? Okay, madam. So I think you need to do more practice. You are forgetting everything. So so in the short span of time, I haven't covered the more topics. But anyhow, this kind of presentation is not at all sufficient for the interview. Do more
Okay.
practice, and the document already supplied, right? Interview material. So just
Yes, sir.
focus on that. Almost all of the questions will come from that area only.
Okay.
And so you are forgetting many more things. And the way should not be in the real time. Okay, so you will have to prove that you are the real time SAP FSO consultant. For
Okay.
that point of view, you will discuss only real time contents. Okay, so once I asked about your what we call that payment advisory form, that you strictly say that it is standard. No one,
Standard. Yeah.
yes, no company will use standard format, right? So I already told multiple times. So just look out the videos again and again, and do more practice.
Okay,
So
sir.
I will take mock test again after 7 days. Okay. So
Okay,
meanwhile,
sir.
do practice. Okay, practice,
Okay, sir.
and just read out the document, go through the document properly, and again you come up with fresh deal.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay.
Uh, so APP and Dunning.
See, main concept. So you are ignoring the asset accounting, right? So I just asked the basic concept like depreciation key and depreciation areas. So I'm asking almost all of the questions are basic, not that much level. Okay.
Okay.
So, but you need another 15 days practice.
Okay, sir.
No
Okay.
problem. So it happens, okay. So it is just like one kind of practice, not a real time. But anyhow, do more practice and then attend the interview.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Actually, I'm forgetting the concepts. Yeah, I should main focus on the.
No, you're not explaining like real time. Okay, you need to prove that you are the real time consultant. So while explaining the business process and all, that is not confident.
Okay.
Okay, not up to that level. And know more about your client details properly, and what are the products that your clients sell, and what are the materials that your company procuring from the vendors, who is that vendors, like account groups and all that configurations also required
Okay, sir.
while explaining those stuff, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyhow, nice talking to you. But anyhow, we need more, madam. So next time, please come up with more practice. Anyhow, now you understand, right, where you are lacking the skills and where you're doing the mistakes and all.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
are getting the points, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
see.
Yeah, thank you, sir.